Hi, my name is Attorney Walter Rudolph, not the third. We're going into question 96 of the top 200 Social Security disability hearing questions that you are likely to hear in your upcoming hearing. Let's get right to it. Do you wear orthopedic attire, such as special shoes or braces? I'm going to go through that again. Do you wear orthopedic attire, such as special shoes or braces? So here's the whole point of this. A lot of you guys say, I have difficulty walking. It's so bad. Well, okay, so here are some of the levels. We think of like basic orthopedic devices to assist with, knee problems, leg problems, hip problems, yada yada. So when we start to get into the orthopedic shoes category, that's like your bottom. It's like your base ambulatory device assistance category. Then you start to get into your canes, and your crutches, and your walkers, and your wheelchairs, stuff like that. Your motorized scooters, stuff like that. There's a hierarchy as to what you need to assist you to complete things. The more of a limitation when it comes to requiring two hands, you're seated all the time, you're unable to push yourself, hence the motorized, then, we're starting to get into these functions of, you really don't have the capacity to do a job because you don't have the capacity to go ahead and do functional tasks traditionally seen with lifting, pushing, pulling, crouching, stooping, kneeling, whatever. Okay. So that's what we're getting at here. These are kind of the low-level getting dressed functions. We're actually, the next category grouping of questions we're going to be doing is all in the getting dressed, category. All right. My name is Attorney Walter, if not the third. I'm with Disability Resolution PA. Subscribe, like, and leave 5 stars. If you want to catch up with me, shoot me an email or give me a call. Also, I go live on YouTube 8 to 10 every Thursday Eastern Standard Time. Catch up with you there, and we'll have a good time. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.